Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. You see my YouTube channel History Islam. In Agra, India, there is a masterpieces of Mughal architecture, which in the world is known as the Taj Mahal, is the shining dam spread across 42 acres. Is the epitome of beauty, but still it has heart-wrenching story. Tell once again, welcome to History Islam. Viewers, this 400 years old building used to be the best and most manufactured building of its time. Now it is considered as the seventh wonder of the world. Built this manufactured structure 20,000 laborers put in their blood and sweat that too for straight 22 years. If you imagine its valuation at present, this marble coated tomb is worth $1 billion or more than 7.5 crore. Because the Mughal architectures left behind signs of the incapable skills which are possessed by even today's top engineers. This build was the designed in a way when it is see from behind the main gate, but has one advised toward the main gate automatically contract in size. It was not the first time when Mughal architectures used such mind-boggling tricks. The four pillars at the four corners are not standing vertically straight. Rather, they are straight leaning outwards, because if they were kept vertically straight, then from a distance they would look like leaning inwards, as you can see in the picture. If you mosque, there was another reasons for learning these pillars outward, that is case of a strong earth. They will fall outward, keeping the moment safe. But what was the reason that its architectures wanted to protect it so adamant? What are the secret of the Taj Mahal, which were constructed 400 years ago and at the area when there was no concert or steel? When no this manufactured and this 40-meter light dam was built, you will get to know all this and more in today's videos. Viewers, all this started in 1607, when all these regions was ruled by Mughal Empire. One that day, the youngest son of the Mughal Empire, Shahabuddin Muhammad, turned 15-year-old, and to celebrate this association, a separated part was thrown at the Agra fort. Khurram was empire's favorite child. That's why he used with diamonds and gold in his every birthday. Khurram was given an equal amount of jewelry has his weight, but something more special was about to happen and his birthday. Emperors arranged Khurram's marriage with the daughter of one of his lawyers. Her name was Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz and Khurram fell in love with each other. On the very first day, no one knew at the time that this love will become immoral. For the next 10 years, Prince fought numerous battles and got victories. That's why the emperor gave him the title Shah Jahan, which means empire of the world. Shah Jahan has had total 6 wives who used to live in the harem of Agra. Out of 6, Shah Jahan loved Mumtaz the most, and his was the reasons that he spent most of his time with Mumtaz Mahal. Time was passing fast, and 4 years later, that is in 1621, Mughal emperors died. Shah Jahan was quite famous in the Mughal Empire and the favorite son of emperor. He succeeded the throne 7 years later in 1628. The entire Mughal Empire was quit with their new emperor. This was the time was Mughal Empire was at its The Mughal Empire was spread across India, Pakistan, and many parts of Afghanistan. Shah Jahan used to take all the decision, whereas Mumtaz Mahal used to give him suggestion behind the curtains. But no one know that soon this happy face is going to turn into mourning within just 1 year of succeeding. The Mughal Empire found itself in a war situation for the next 2 years. War continued and Shah Jahan became victors. Hurt, but before he could celebrate his victory, he was given very sad news. Okay viewers, you see next part in next video. Okay friends, I have a request for you that please subscribe it, like and share to your friends and press the bell icon because I also make the second part of this video. Inshallah, I will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.